Gravity.
Oh.
Tanis, your mother said that you're good in geography.
Yes, I'm very good in geography.
Okay, well then you should have no trouble at all finding the following places. First, New York City.
Right there.
Okay, next, Tokyo.
Right there.
California. British Columbia. Alaska. Okay, now that we've located those 5 places, I have a question for you. If you were going to fly by the shortest possible route from New York to Tokyo, would you go over California, British Columbia, or Alaska?
Well, it looks like the shortest route would be to go over California.
Right, like that, right?
Straight across, yeah.
Yeah.
But it really isn't.
How do you know that?
Well, when I went on a trip to Germany with my dad from Calgary.
Mm-hmm. Where's Calgary?
Right there.
Okay, where'd you go?
To Germany.
Over here.
Yeah. Cologne.
Where'd you go then?
Oh, well, we went over to Greenland.
Okay, well, the shortest distance would look like it would be like that?
Yeah.
You went over Greenland?
That's right.
You sure?
I'm positive.
You looked out the window and there was Greenland?
That's right.
Okay. So where do you suspect that the shortest possible route from New York to Tokyo is going to be?
Alaska.
You have any idea why?
Well, because the water in between, it would be longer than to go over. But I don't really know how to explain it.
Well,
so.
let's explain it with a globe, because one of the problems with this is the flat map.
Mm-hmm.
It's called a Mercator projection. That means all the lines, when they intersect here, are at right angles, the latitude and longitude. And
That's right.
the Earth is a sphere, isn't it?
Yeah.
So to open up the Earth and put it onto a flat map like this creates all kinds of distortions. So let's go look at an actual globe,
Okay.
and I think you'll see why it's the shortest distance. Here's a chain. Now hold it over New York.
Okay.
Now you run it around. You'll keep it over California, and you run it around over there to Tokyo. But now let's sort of make it about like that. Okay, that's what on the map looks like the shortest route.
Yeah.
Look at all the slack.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot.
Now pull it and make it as tight as you can.
Okay.
Okay. Now that's what's known as a great circle. A great circle route. If we pull the chain real tight, we could cut the globe right in half, right?
That's
Okay,
right, yeah.
okay. If we went right through the center, we would have one half on here and one half on here. That describes a great circle, the greatest circle that you can get by cutting a sphere in half. And the shortest distance between 2 points on the surface of a sphere is along any great circle line.
Yeah.
Okay, so there it is right there. Goes right over Alaska. Now let's go back and look at on the map and see how funny that looks.
Okay.
Because after all, this is a flat map.
Yes.
So going from New York through California is that smaller circle, but going from New York via the Great Circle takes you right over Alaska to Tokyo. So remember, the next time you look for the shortest distance between 2 points on the surface of a sphere like the Earth, it's going to be along that line known as the Great Circle.
Yes.
I'm right now, the last couple months, I've been messing around with this idea of cognitive dissonance. This
The retirement we receive is the standard Air Force retirement. Some people who are astronauts gave that up to go into the reserve so that they could get promoted to 1 or 2 star general. You don't get into this business